Loving how you wind up for me tonight.
Hello guys, how are you all doing today? This is your girl Glamorous Fern coming back with another video.
No, you can wait to shut it down.
How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. Anyhow, never mind me with my nonsense dancing. I hope that makes sense. Guys, this video will be guest bathroom / kids bathrooms deep clean with me for spring. So enjoy.
In love, yeah. The way that you move, wanna connect with you like Bluetooth. No touching, that's my boo-boo. Your love, they do me voodoo. She's my new boo. I'm watching her like YouTube. I wanna ride like choo-choo. Your love, they do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way you move around me. The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else.
I'm not sure about the contract. I might have to remove the purple one in a different spot. It's taken away from that beautiful hand towel design idea or decor idea. What do you guys think?
You a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles, but if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Still a little high on you.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way.
You know, I cannot end this video without saying thank you to all of my new subscribers, to all of my returning subscribers, to all of my loyal subscribers. I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye-bye. Mwah.
You climbed my tower and you set me free.